Maddie Moses.
Vlogging.
Maddie Moses, you're on Maddie Moses' vlog.
Okay. Okay, so what are we doing?
We're going to build some stuff.
Do you know what we're building? Yeah. For the birds. No, it's for a cat. Yeah, totally. Horses can fit in a birdhouse.
Shots fired in. Let me shoot that crib up behind it.
Yes.
Don't wanna hit them loud sounds, they be quiet then. You don't wanna hit a brick. When I stick up on you with that. Round with that. Hood. This right here, turn it. Came into a hood. Hood. Bumped into a. I knew in high school. Being trying to pass through. Listen in the classroom. Now you're trying to.
Yeah.
Are you with this guy?
Yeah, out of the bird.
Oh, I know her.
Oh, I know her. Ow! That hurt. Yes, Camilla.
Calling him off his head. I can shake your hand. No, I'm not your friend. We're not in Menominee.
We're not in Menominee.
No, we're not. See the sign right there.
Who did? We left Menominee. Oh, shook. Are you quaking, Paige?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes you go slack. Slide in. Let me see some shots fired in. Let me shoot that slide in. Don't want to hit them loud sounds to be quiet in. Like, look. It's on like rock. It's on one
Yes, please.
rock. First time I met him.
What are you doing, Callie?
Well, we don't get messed up.
You got it? Okay, does it work now?
Okay, sister.
Sister! Oh, get the spacer out of
I
it.
am stressed.
What's that? Oh shit.
Oh no.
Okay, does it not work? Okay, stop. It's going the other way. You want it to go the opposite way.
Kelly, loosen the top screw.
Yeah, loosen it. Just a tiny bit. Just a little snip snip.
Move! Kelly's like, I'm freaking out.
Stop! Are you getting it?
What?
I'm vlogging.
It's going in!
No, reverse it.
That's what I did!
Okay, it works. It works. Oh my god.
Oh, maybe we can loosen our
Yeah, we should. Okay. Wait, make sure it's in reverse.
Not that much.
Oh shit.
Oh, sister,
Good job. Now does it work?
What's your vlog name?
Maddie Moses.
Oh.
Okay.
Yay, Paige.
Okay.
Oh yeah, that's my fault.
We're good, guys. Good.
Okay, now try it. I think it's just tight in the box.
Yeah, why won't we?
Oh. Hey, it works better!
Good, look at ours go! Red button.
I did.
Okay. They stole it.
I did it, Paige.
My dad worked as a plumber. You think I'd be used to this?
Okay, careful. Stop. Callie.
There's not even in it! I'm so proud of this.
Wait, no. Let me.
Oh my god!
Callie, undo it.
I'm trying! Let's go in.
What did we just do?
We built 2 birdhouses.
Yeah, and we didn't break them.
Well,
they were okay. But like,
this is Kelly.
oh yeah, Callie's is gorgeous.
No, wait. Is that another one? Okay, Kelly, let's show off your birdhouses.
Yes, Kelly, slaying. Oh here. Yes.
1 or 2. Now show them ours. Oh, what braggers.
Aren't they beautiful? Comment which one you like more down in the description box, or not in the description box, down in the comment section. Do you want to tell them to like and subscribe to my channel?
Like and subscribe to the channel.
Thank you.
Warehousing building skills.
Yeah. We'll do a DIY next time.
We'll probably fail because it took us 500 tries to get it.
What I thought. Yes. I ship it. Are you okay? Yes. Sling. I'm Dimitri. The one that's in your hand? Yes! Slaying. Oh my god, who I wish I was dating. Sorry, Ben. Love you. Yes. Hottie. I can't. Me. Oh shoot, I'm gonna run into something. Yes. No, he died. He dead. I'm so cold.
Why are you still videotaping?
Vlogs.
Oh god.
Cut. Slit your throat. Wait, what? I don't even see it. I don't see this.
Oh, there's nothing there.
There's
It's
nothing.
right there.
Oh yeah,
No,
there.
no, it's not.
Yeah, there's a little strip.
You're
Here,
hallucinating.
look at real life.
Look in real life. Paige is an actual queen. Hottie. Triggered. Who is she? Yeah, I post this on YouTube. No, I have an actual channel, Kaylee.
Wait, no, I gotta do the scene.
Yes.
If I twerked like that, I'd be depressed.
Here, let me use your.
I am depressed. I am depression. Yes. Yes.
How you dance?
No, this is how you gotta do it.
Throw it back like a white girl.
Pretty much. You look cute.
Yeah, okay, you look cute though.
Boy glasses. You wanna try those?
Trying on glasses. I know how to do this. Oh, I'd be cute, right? Wait, would I be cute? I'd be cute.
Wait, Kyle.
I should get. I have glasses, but like, I lost them. I should probably get them back, cause like I look better with glasses, honestly.
We're so naked.
What is glasses gang?
I can't see.
I love this. What the heck? Why am I cuter with glasses?
I'm cuter as a guy anyway.
Yes. I'm like gonna go to the eye doctor and be like, give me glasses, please.
I'm dizzy.
Ow.
Let me try your.
Oh. I have a boyfriend.
But this is my favorite. I don't care if you have a boyfriend.
Okay.
You like my boy hair?
Your boy. You look so cute. Paige would be such a hot boy. Yes. Slave. Okay. Gorgeous. Oh, ooh, I didn't get that. You dropped it. Yes. Kaylee and Callie. Slay. Me too, Kaylee. Slays. Bodies. My neck. My back. Stop. Ooh. Yes, booty.
Slap.
We did?
Y'all see that?
Right now.
Oh, I'm Shaquisha. We're putting up birdie houses.
Fun. Well, we're not. We're having Davis do it for us because we don't know how to.
we're.
It's windy.
I can't. I'm sorry.
I'm cold. I want my boyfriend's hoodie, but I don't have it.
Your boyfriend's
My boyfriend can suck my dick for all I care.
My boyfriend could suck my dick for all.
I mean, he has abs. They're cute.
What?
My last video didn't get a lot of views. That one only got like 23, but my other ones get about 70. I only have 23 subs though. So like and subscribe to Maddie Moses for more great content.
Yeah.
Okay, this hurts my ears.
We get to 100 followers. I mean subscribers.
I'll do someone's makeup. Yeah. Oh my god, if we get to 150 subs, I'll do my boyfriend's makeup. Ben, I'm sorry. I love you. That's all.
When did you even see him?
When did I even see who?
No, when would you see him? Is it illegal to vlog?
Oh, yeah, he lives in Eau Claire, so I can see him pretty much whenever. Oh, look, it's the factory. Fun. Or Sandville. I don't know.
Is it illegal to
I don't know. It's okay, though. Don't sue me. I don't have money anyway. I don't make AdSense.
Because you spend it all on... Yeah.
My makeup looks bad today, though.
So, comment, like, and subscribe to see Maddie do her boyfriend's makeup.
Yeah.
150 subscribers.
Yeah. Watch as everyone unsubscribes. Whoa. In the arms of the angels. Rest in peace. From 2018 around 1:30 to 2018 at about 2.